guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can fix your electronic household sewing machine motor. So this is the packet that I got. I bought it recently for fast sewing and to enable me to meet up with the time. So I don't know where this is coming from. So this is the main body. This is like the engine. So this is it's kind of something like this. I'm going to show you guys how I fix the pedal. So guys, I'm going to go with this screwdriver. So guys, I'm going to remove this. So these two, I'm going to place it here. Guys, can you see the nut and the nut holder? You put it together, then put it inside this opening. I put it through the opening of the motor, then make sure that the nut is fixed directly here. So guys, as I was saying before, I'm going to show you guys how to fix this. Is a screwdriver from my machine box. Then this is the motor. This is the bracket for the motor, as they say. Then this is the belt, the electronic machine belt. So I have inserted this ones where the normal manual machine belt is. Then this is the knot that they gave. So I'm going to fix this here through the bracket, sorry. Then after fixing it in the bracket, so there is a little knot space here. There's a little knot space here in your machine. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little knot at the side of your machine here. So that is where you will put your knot. Tighten it a little more before you can be able to use your screwdriver. So remember, if you want to use this electronic motor, you first of all how to fix your electronic motor belt. Then make sure that the belt is very tight. Then before you can be able to tighten or loosen anyone to tighten your motor before sewing, make sure that it's not too loose and make sure it's not too tight. So I have fixed my belt. I have fixed the motor. You can see the belt is not tight, the belt is not loose. So the next thing I'm going to do is, this is the pedal. So I'm going to connect the pedal here. Make sure that the pedal is at the right side. Do not force your petal slot. So after fixing it, make sure that your pedal, I don't know why I'm calling this petal, make sure that your pedal is placed right under where your foot is, and you can then connect it. This is the plug side. So I'm going to place my chair. After placing my chair, I have plugged my electric motor. So I'm going to test if it's even working. Guys, can you see? Oh guys, let me just show you guys. This was perfectly fine and it doesn't make any nasty sounds like the normal chaka 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 chaka. So I'm going to put my okay, perfect. Hey, this fabric is not even enough. So I'm going to put my thread. After putting my thread, I'm going to show you guys the as to how the stitches work. Guys, like I told you in the vlog, like if you use this, I don't think you don't have to, as in, you don't even dream of using your leg again for this. So this is the fabric that I'm going to test it with. So I'm going to fold. I folded the fabric into two, and my stitches is 6 on the 7th. Yeah, so that's where I normally set my stitches to be. So first thing I'm going to do is to wind. Guys, can you see? If you wind here, but this, as in, the voltage is very cute. Like, you don't have to wind and wind and wind, just single touch of your needle and you are good to go. Like, guys, can you see? And it's very fine. I'm not even pedaling it too much, like slightly. Guys, the stitches is so, like, is wow. Guys, I just brought a white fabric, so I folded the fabric into 3. 1, 2, 3. So I folded the fabric into 3. Guys, you know how industrial machine used to sound and how it's used to stitch your fabrics. That's how this thing works. Like, guys, this is the stitches that I have just run down. This is the front stitches, and this is the back. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see. This is the front, this is the back, and it's kind of neat, like so neat. Let me fold the fabric into 4 to know if the voltage will carry the fabric. This is the 3rd, this is the 4th, this is the 5th. Let me just do it on 5 folding to know if the stitches will run. Guys, this is running like crazy. I folded the fabric into 5 stitches. The front stitches, this is the front stitches, and this is the back stitches. And you can set, so you can get this. Guys, you know why I love this electric machine, because it's very fast and the double stitches is online, like is on the same line. So guys, I think that's it for this video. I don't know what to call this video. This is kind of tutorial or what, but I don't know. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video.